Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past Question. Question number 21. And the instruction here says that choose the interpretation that is most appropriate for this sentence. And the sentence here says, the grandmother once told me that old habits die hard. This means that old habits dash old habits. I want to talk of old habits means something that is stick with someone that has been part and parcel of that fellow. So old habits hard or die hard. Option A, easily corrected. B, difficult to change. C, short-lived. D, forever changing. So I want to say something is part and parcel of someone. It is very difficult or thorny to change. So this figurative expression can also be said that you don't teach old dog new track. You don't teach old dog old track, or to teach old dog new track. So it's very difficult to teach old dog new track. So just in the same way that it is very difficult to change one's old habits. That is, old habits die hard. So it is very difficult to change. So option B is correct. Thank you.